to be able to start up the business. I'm very, very above excited to say that we are finally doing it. Before that, first of all, I want to say that this video is going to be in partnership with AYOCHA Beauty and Cosmetics Company. If you don't know anything about AYOCHA Beauty and Cosmetics Company, it's an online beauty and cosmetics company which niches down to providing you very, very authentic and yet affordable makeup products here in Kampala, Uganda at a very, very affordable price. Yes. And of course, if you need any makeup product in Europe, they ship it for you from Europe down here in Kampala, Uganda. How cool is that? Guys. Then also, if you are makeup artists, they sell and have makeup bundles for you in bulk, of course, in bulk with foundation, concealers, highlighter, and all that other good stuff. So make sure that you check them out. I'm going to be leaving all their information in the description box below. They have a WhatsApp shop number. You can also find them over there, and you talk to them and they ship the product direct to your home, of course, here in Kampala and throughout the whole of Uganda. So before actually you guys we head out completely to go to the location, I would love to first say that this salon is within Bunamwaya. It's not around my place, it's within that place, and we're going to have some workers or employee, I think employee is the best word to use, who are going to be, staying there to work there. And my sister, she will be also working there part-time because she also has other businesses she has to attend to. Yeah. Then the second thing, it took us about, I think, 2 months to get that location. We used blockers, a lot of contacts, a lot of callings, a lot of meeting up, a lot of everything, but finally we did get the place. And then the rent is around 200,000 Ugandan shillings, and we paid 3 months. The down payment is for 3 months, so that's what we paid. And then also, what else did I want to inform you? The security is very, very good. So we don't have to worry about that. The security is very good. Electricity and water bills are also separate, and that is the best part for me. Yeah, so let's head out. Okay, so you guys, as I promised to tell you a little bit much more about the place. So the place is in Bunamwaya, as I already said, and we did pay the down payment around 600,000 Ugandan shillings each month, 200. Initially, when my sister actually called me and told me that she had finally got a place, the first thing I thought of, it was the location, the security, and how busy the place is, because this is